This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. The steadfast 8-cylinder engine, connected to a 4-speed automatic transmission, has enough power to pull a trailer or cruise around town. Complementing this Chevrolet's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features, which include a sunroof, air conditioning with automatic climate control, XM satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, a stability control system, and this vehicle has fewer than 42,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.